sent this over to here. Hopefully, I don't know you guys. I know you want to like buying scissors. I need to open this box. It's ridiculous open. So y'all. See why I need these things? Alright, y'all. We have a lace front wig, human, and it's a natural color, 20 inches. I'm ready to take this down. Got my scissors ready, so we can see how she gonna look. Right now, you guys, we're just gonna unpackage her, check her out, get you guys knowing the company. So you just look in the description box. I will put the link to the same exact wig down below in the description box, okay? So, our hair is from Upermall or Upermall, okay? Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Thank you for thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's see. I like the yellow set bag, by the way. Makes me excited. Alrighty, let's see. We have a wig. We have our wig. It's empty. They're made so nice. Like, that's first cushion is packaging. Believe it or not. So, before we take her out, you gotta see 20 inches, okay? I'm pretty looking up. Y'all know I'm pretty. Ooh, okay. Look at her, y'all. She is so shiny. Alright. And baby, they got their name and they wig. Y'all fancy, okay. And I'm not sure which lace though. It feels like HD lace. Yes. So like y'all. Alright, let's take her out. Oh, she's so silky. So she does look like she trips on her makeup. Let's just get rid of that. Let's look at the inside. So this is like a full lace front. I like this. I do not like those lace fronts. The last one that I just took off, y'all, it had like a little circle right here with a tiny little spot. I don't like that. And you can see the tracks on the last lace front that I had. But I bought that out from Cardi. You can all, y'all need to do this one. Okay? I can do all the looking that I need to do. How does that look? But y'all got, as y'all can see, my hair is still pretty, y'all. It's still pretty, and I hate to take it down, but it gotta be done. So here it goes.
I remember we were like, what I remember saying as a kid.
Gotta go wash it.
Actually, just get worse. At school, there were a few people in lessons that would tap each other. They would be like, they would film me.
Dusty.
My friends would draw on stage.
And yeah, we gotta put this lace front on, baby. I'm ready to look cute. I'm ready to look cute.
The amount of times they've been like, felt.
So I sprayed the cap on my head with some got to be glue, blow spray, and blow dried it. And now I'm tying it down just to get the cap to melt in my head a little bit. And I ran into a problem. The wig is kind of too big for my head. So off camera, I sewed in a little strip of that. You know, the little strap to make your wig glueless, and that's holding it on my head while I'm putting the glue on, because the wig was so big it slid off my head. So I mean, it's secure even without the glue, but want to make glue on this unit. Now I'm just pushing that wig up into the glue with a comb, a little rectangle comb. I'm doing the whole hairline a little bit at a time. I gotta be careful because, like I said, the wig was kind of big, and it was like, dang, I'm trying to find out how to keep it behind my ear and in front of the cap at the same time, if that makes sense. But yeah, I made it work. I'm using a hot comb to just melt it in a little bit more before I tie my little thing on there. So yeah, I went ahead and sprayed it with some Gots to Be spray. I just wanted it to be a little extra secure. I know I might have to go in and add some more glue after I cut this extra lace off, but we'll take care of that. Let's just get this lace off first. So already we need to add some glue right here and right there. We'll come back to that. Let's just get the lace off. That's what I like to do. And go back and add the glue and tie it back down. It's pretty simple this way. I mean, I avoided working with lace fronts a lot in the past, but I've grown to love them. Like, I really like lace fronts. And I don't want nothing else but lace fronts. Y'all don't see me no more crochet hair, no more crochet twisted hair, none of this stuff. Lace fronts only, please. I love it. I'm ready to color it and experiment with them. But this one, y'all, it was so easy to work with. That lace is so thin. It was easy for me to just melt in my skin using the steps that I did. Of course, we have to add this little bit of glue, but hey, adding a little bit of glue is fine. I just took that little bit off with a popsicle stick and pushed that down. You can't even tell we added some glue. Now, we just doing all the finishing touches, and we're gonna go to the next step. So as you guys can see, as you make a mistake, just go ahead and fix it. You see, you cut the lace and a little bit of glue needs to be added. Go ahead and add the glue in and push it in with a comb and go ahead and tie it back down. I'm telling you, you won't have any issues. You can do this at home. It is that easy, y'all. While we waiting on that to finish melting, we gonna see if this hair got any tangles. This hair is so shiny, it's so soft, it's so silky. I cannot wait to put the wand curler to this and see exactly how these curls gonna turn out. But first, let's get to these baby hairs, y'all. Baby hairs most likely are the second hardest part other than melting that lace. And honey, as you can see, I was struggling at first, but eventually, after seeing that trying this wasn't working, I just cut the baby hair shorter and parted them a little thinner. And I know it look a little white around it. We're gonna take care of it. I'm just trying to get this lace front sitting right and melt it right. We're gonna add a little makeup toward the end to my hair and my face. But yeah, I cut those shorter and I'm just gonna swoop those with my Lotta Body foam wrap and this Rexel comb. No baby, what that thing is, no edge control brush, no edge brush. Just a Rexel comb and foam. Okay. Now we are gonna use our baby flat iron to just curl it up and then we'll trim it down. It really doesn't matter. We curled it while it was long so we won't get burnt. Okay. Slap that foam on there. Gonna swoop that. We gonna wrap it down again, y'all. After this, I know you're gonna be like, how many times this girl gonna wrap it? I'm gonna wrap it how many times I need to for it to get melted. Now I'm going in with this same foam and I'm just trying to flatten this wig down a little bit more before I go in with my curler. my wand curler. I love wand curls. They are so cute. And they came out so pretty up in this hair, y'all. Silky, bouncy wand curls. Like, who don't want that? If y'all don't click that link down below, I'm gonna just keep sharing and sharing and sharing it on Facebook. Y'all gonna see me swinging this hair on all my videos. All of it. Baby, this hair is so cute and easy to curl. I'm showing y'all. Look at that. It looked like some deep wave hair. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, them first 3 curls had got me excited. I was like, ooh, I'm ready to just go ahead and finish my whole head. But I had to show y'all one more time. Boom. Y'all see that curl? Okay, I showed y'all again. And maybe some more times. But hey, you get the picture. This hair is so soft, shiny, and bouncy. And the fact that it holds a curl is a blessing, okay? This hair is 20 inches. Look at that melt. Look at it. Look at that. Okay. Your girl was feeling herself, and I know you know. I had to add a little bit of that got to be yellow can spray because I seen a little spot that needed something. But other than that, this wig is flawless. This hairstyle is flawless. Those wand curls made the shine pop. Y'all see that? Okay. Nice and full. I'm trying to fluff her out a little bit. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.